Okay, we're at Fort Clinch, and this is the outside of the fort. Gives you an idea of what someone who would have seen this fort from the opposite side, be the attackers. Would have seen. Not going to go the whole way around, but just going to try to give a view of the outer part of it. This is the water passage it was defending. The Atlantic's right there, and this is Amelia River here, and St. Mary's River over there. And the other half looks pretty much the same. It's just present a decent idea what the outside looked like. Pretty cool.